Okay, let's try this trig identity here. One of these things where we have to prove that the left-hand side equals the right-hand side. Well, this is as much about understanding fractions as it is about trigonometry. If we want to combine these two denominators, what we do, if we want to combine these two fractions, we have to multiply the denominators together. If like it was 3 over 5 and 7 over 11, we'd have to multiply the two numbers and get a common denominator. But then you think to yourself, hey, I multiplied the top and bottom of this by sine and the top and bottom of this by 1 plus cosine. And it would turn into this, sine squared plus 1 plus cosine theta squared all over 1 plus cosine theta times sine theta. Well, let's multiply this out. Do FOIL on 1 plus cos. You get this 1 plus 2 cos. But hang on a second here. Isn't cos squared plus sine squared equal to 1? And 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So look at that. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. And now there's a 2 and 2 here and a 2 here. We can factor it out and put it over there. And we've got, what do we have inside the bracket? 2 times 1 gives me those two. 2 times cos theta. Hey, we've got 1 plus cos theta. And that's real good because 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos is 1. That cancels. And I'm left with what I'm trying to figure out, 2 over sine theta, which is the right-hand side. Now they say, hence, they really want you to use this idea. If you know that this is true, all this fractional junky stuff equals 2 over sine, it means you can rub out all this stuff and replace it with 2 over sine. And they give you a mark just for that. Now, if we multiply both sides by sine theta and divide by 4, we get sine theta equals a half. They want to find out all the times it would equal a half. Well, if you go shift sine of a half, you get 30 degrees. But 180 minus 30 for sine gives you the same answer. And you should know that negative 330 is the same angle in exactly the same place as 30 degrees. It just you went counterclockwise. And minus 210 is exactly the same as 150. And that's what they wanted, all the answers that fit between minus 160 and 360. And there's your 4 solutions to this equation. What angles? The sine of what angles would equal 1/2, and that's it. And there you go.